5.1, we're almost at the end. We are told to evaluate this. Let me just write it down. This is the sum from 1 to infinity of this k minus 3. Okay, now when we're evaluating a sum to infinity, all we need to do is we always just, let me see, we just need to check if the sum exists. Now this one here, the question is specific. It doesn't say if it exists, it says evaluated. So we can assume that it does exist, but there's nothing wrong with showing that it does exist. So what we need is to find out what A is, or A sub 1, and then what is our common ratio, because I can tell already this is a geometric series. Okay, so to find A sub 1, I would substitute k. Remember what happens? To get my first term, I substitute k is equal to 1. This is my starting point. And then the second term, I have k is equal to 2. So A sub 1 here is 8 multiplied by 2 over 3 to the power of 1 minus 3. This I can just do on my calculator and see what I get. I have 8 multiplied by 2 over 3. This is to the power of 1 minus 3 equal to, my answer is 18. So A sub 1 is equal to 18. Now I need to work out what R is, so I need at least 2 terms, so I can work out A sub 2. So again, this is 8 and then 2 over 3, and now the value of k, or k, is 2, so 2 minus 3, and then again I do this on my calculator. So since I typed it in, I will just replace the 1 with the 2, and then I get 12. If I want the next one after that, k now becomes 3, that is my third term. Then the fourth term, that is 4, 16 over, and then it continues in that manner. So here I need just 2 terms in order to work out R, and if I've done this correctly, 2 terms is enough. So R is A sub 2 over A sub 1. It is always the term that comes later divided by the preceding term. So I have 12 over 18. This we can simplify without a calculator. Let's see. 6 goes in there 2 times, and it goes in there 3 times. So my R is 2 over 3. So I should test. So what is the absolute value of R? This is the absolute value of 2 over 3, which is just 2 over 3. And then I compare this to 1. It is less than 1. So this sum to infinity, which I am being asked to find, I just say it exists. Okay, so now that I know it exists, I should work it out. Remember the formula, the sum to infinity is equal to the first term over 1 minus R. Then I just substitute. My first term is 18. I worked it out, and I say 1 minus R. I worked out R already, and then this I do on my calculator. I have 18 over 1 minus 2/3. Okay, this is 54. Okay, so the sum to infinity is 54, and just like that, I am done.